Oh, Jesus, so tall. All right, so we get a bit of a feel of the bike first. The legs are a little bit more tucked up than what the 750 is. So this is a 800 GS. F800 GS. You know how to ride, just ride. Oh, that's a truck. Oh my God, this thing is just gorgeous. Don't even need to rev match, wow. Oh dear, so I literally rocked up at this lady's house and she's like, here's the keys, go for it. Go for your life, come back in an hour or so. So let's try to not get too distracted, we've got other places to go. Wow. A bit clunky on the gears. She's like, I've got your bike, you're not going to steal mine, it's all good. Oh, this thing is gorgeous. Far out, it's so fast as well. The seat is a bit weird, like the legs are a bit more tucked up than let's give it a bit of juice. Holy shit, yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is a BMW F800 GS. Not sure what year model it is. It's got the black, it's got the wind. I love that windscreen. Don't even notice the wind. The fact that you don't have to rev match like the Harley, that's crazy. Oh, it just wants to ride. Far out, I love it. I've definitely sold 27,000 Ks for. I want to get it into 6th gear just to give it a good hot squirt, just to see how it feels. Oh, such a nice bike. Yeah, her seating position's a bit different to what I would have it. I'd need to have it back a little bit more, but it's pretty damn solid. I'm going to take it down to Tuggeranong and then come back, and then that'll be good. Oh wow, this is just beautiful. So this is a slight, well, obviously different model than the one I'm looking at. The one I'm looking at's I'm looking at the 750 GS Tour variant. So it's got all the bells and whistles that I could possibly dream of. I've got to relearn how to ride. It just doesn't, like, clutching it in, like getting it into gear and stuff is completely different to the Harley. But yeah, the one I'm looking at's got quick shifter and all of those sorts of bells and whistles as well. Yeah, saddlebags back and middle. It's got the TFT heads up display, so this one doesn't. I'm gonna have to ask her where she got her windscreen from. I'm definitely gonna be friends with this lady. Far out. What a bike. as much as it's got the juice there, like, I'm obviously respecting that it's someone else's bike, but I don't want to overtake everyone. It's just like, we're out for a cruise, we're out for just a ride. So this will be the first time that this lovely lady sees my videos too, because obviously I'm going to get back and say, hey, I make YouTube videos just for poops and giggles. Your bike's going to be on it. Go and check it out. See how I abuse it. I apologize, I'm not used to a high revving bike, so if I'm absolutely abusing your bike, we need to go for a ride and you can teach me how to ride, because it's so different to what I'm used to riding. I rode a Ninja. I've ridden my bike and I've ridden a Ninja, that's it. So it is a massive difference. Gotta do it. Oh, that is insane. You can stand up. My pegs are so far forward that you just can't do that. I can sort of brace myself and lift my ass off the seat, but there's 6 gears. Oh, I am in love. I'll miss my Harley, but this is just amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm not rev matching or anything because I just don't know whether I need to be. Just goes around the corner like nothing else. Beautiful. What a lovely person to just say, yeah, go for a ride, come back whenever you like, see whether your back's going to like it or not. So, what a beautiful person to say that. That scared the shit out of me then. It was the construction workers. If I'm recording. Yeah, we're recording. Cool. I was going to be a bit worried there that we were worried there that I wasn't recording. This is going to be the test for me. I haven't had to stop yet. The whole time I've been riding. Oh no, that's not bad at all. That's pretty good. The rear brake feels a bit weird though, just the way the pedal sits. But wow, what a bike. Oh, it doesn't rumble. I don't see the point doing a walk around of this because this isn't the bike I'm going to be buying. This has actually probably got more pick up and go than the bike that I'm looking at, so I'm going to do this loop and I'm going to drive it back down to her. Because I got stuff to do, I got places to be, I don't even know what time it is. I don't want to use all their petrol. It is getting warm out here. Yeah, you definitely don't turn the heads like you do on the Harley. Six gears, oh my god, baby, I've got to have you in my life. What a bike, oh my god. Just feels so light, like everyone says they feel heavy. But compared to my bike, which is 260 kilos, this thing is roughly 227. Yeah, this is really light compared to mine. It's going to be a really steep learning curve for my hips. That's the only thing. Because my hips are used to a bit more far out. My hips are used to a little bit more freedom, so such a light bike, so cool. Yeah, no shift assist pro on this one. It's got the engine guards though, I like that, that's good. To get some aftermarket ones for mine. I'm already calling it mine, so I think I'm sold. What a bike. Yep, I'm going to keep saying it. What a beautiful bit of bloody machinery this is. 6 gears. Oh. So nimble, so light, so much lighter than mine. But the fact that I can stand and move myself around if I'm hurting, just, oh, that's so much better. And the bags I'm going to have, oh my god. What a absolute beauty. I am in love. Need to learn how to ride this bike because it is so different to what I'm riding. So I'm doing a bit of a detour ride because I am not really ready to get off yet. But yeah, so my butt's hurting. Stand up a bit. That's a pretty cool feeling. Now my butt's cold. I've never had that on a bike where my butt gets cold because I've stood up. Alright, in second. So I used to live up here, so I'm used to the road. Oh, I'm gonna be a delinquent so bad. No me gusta at all. That's a lie, I fucking love it. What a bike. Yeah, I definitely don't need a 1200cc. That's a bad idea. Considering I'm in 4th gear now, and yeah, 60, and then first, because it's a little bit more sharp. What a beautiful bike. Wow, I'm so happy with this. Sorry. I love the fact that I can I'll give it a bit of a squirt and we'll stand up. What a beast. That is just insane. I'm looking after your bike, I promise. I'm not doing anything that I don't feel comfortable doing, and it's not illegal. Oh, my tushy is cold. That is so cool. Yes, the little things, all right? Shut up, leave me alone. The fact that if it's a hot day, I can stand up and get some air flowing through my pants, that's a win, all right? Leave me alone. Now you're all saying, oh, we're not laughing at you doing that. We're laughing at the fact that you said tushy like a fucking 2-year-old. Oh, no. Oh, no way. So those speed bumps on my bike, I need to slow right down because the suspension's going to clonk clonk. Second gear. Oh, you beautiful machine. Well, I'm no longer a Harley rider. I am a BMW rider. I think I just had something fly into my helmet. Alright, I'm going to take this beautiful thing back to its owner. And I will see you guys shortly back on the Harley. Wow. Just wow.